Hello, this is Nalida Lacet Besson. I'm a teacher of students who are blind and visually impaired. This is one of the first videos of my iPad series. This will be a review on how to do a video and then publish it on YouTube on either an iTouch or an iPad. So I'm using the iPad to do this session and explain how to do it, and the iTouch is what I am filming, and I will be turning on VoiceOver. So it will be the same exact gestures, but I just like the quality of video on the iPad, so I'm using the iPad to actually do this session with the iTouch. So I have connected to my iTouch an external keyboard. It's one of those Apple keyboards. It's a plug and play, and I'm just using that plug and play because I actually just like the plug and play. I have two Bluetooth keyboards, but it's just easier for me not to go through the setting and make sure it's synced. It doesn't always sync immediately. So I like to use my plug and play when I'm doing a video recording and I'm going to have to be doing some typing. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on VoiceOver by doing a triple click on the home button because I have that set on my settings.
VoiceOver on. Calendar.
And
Tuesday,
what I'm
July
going to
31st.
do is go to
Double tap to open. Contact, photos, camera.
my camera button.
Double camera. Viewfinder. Image.
Okay. I'm going to flick back.
Camera chooser.
I'll actually
Back
flick forward.
facing.
I'm
button.
going to have the camera
Switches.
go to
Front
front
facing
facing.
camera.
And I'm going to do a quick video recording. Now with the iTouch, the record button will be towards the bottom if you flick. On the iPad, once you go to the recording, it automatically is on the record button and you just really double tap to do your recording. If it's not there, then you would do your single finger flick so that you can get to it and be able to do your recording. So
Photo and video. Record video.
And
Button.
I'm going to double tap. This is a test video that I am doing for the iPad, and we will be publishing this video. Double tap. Okay, so I have my video. Okay, and I can access it one or two ways. I can access it
Photo and video
by
viewer.
flicking
Button.
back to the photo and video viewer, or I can go to my app, my photo app, and access it that way. Let me just go to the photo and video viewer. This is the last one that we just did. So,
Photo. Controls hidden.
okay.
909.
Okay, and so we get to the screen that has the video, and we want to go to the action button. Now, same thing with the iTouch or the iPad. The controls may not be the exact same way, but if you flick either forward or backwards, you'll be able to find the action button. So for this one, I'm going to flick forward.
Trim beginning. Current trim end. Play video. Return to camera. Action.
I'm going to find the action button and double tap.
Alert. Email video.
So
Button.
email video, send to YouTube.
Send to YouTube.
I'm flicking to
Button.
get to that.
Email video. Send to YouTube.
Double tapping.
Selected. Publish video.
So
Cancel.
it's giving me
Button.
different options.
Publish video. Publish. YouTube. Image.
Okay.
Title.
And the
Text
title,
field.
I'm going to double tap.
Double tap to edit.
And it
Text
reminds me
field
to double
is
tap.
editing. Title.
So I'm going to just put
iPad.
iPad.
Capital E S T. Test. Capital V I D E O.
Okay. And then I'm going to flick.
Clear text. Description. Text field. Double tap to edit.
Description is...
T-E-T-V-I-D-E-O.
we just put test video.
Tags.
And I'm going to go to
field.
tags.
Double tap.
And we're just going to put VoiceOver.
O-I-C-E-O-V-E-R. Clear text. But new tag. Text
Okay,
field.
if I wanted to add another tag,
Double tap to edit.
I would. So let's say double tap to edit. And I would put maybe blindness.
F-I-N-D-N-E-S-S.
Flip
Clear
to,
text. But new tag. Text field.
and maybe I would put assistive technology. It went over to the next line after I press space. So if you press the space, it'll do that. And then I'm going to flick over.
Clear text. New tag. Clear
Actually,
text.
I'm going to clear that text.
Technology. Text. Assistive. Text field.
And I'm just going to add, I'm going to put a capital.
Capital E-C-H-N-O-L-O-G-Y.
So we just put AT, and that would have covered
Clear
it.
text. New tag. Category. Comedy.
Category, this is definitely not comedy. So I'm going to go to education.
Comedy. 2 autos and vehicle. Comedy. 2 education.
So I'm
3 of
flicking
15.
up. So choose the different selections. You flick up or down for this scroll menu instead of left to right. And it's gotten on education, so I'm double tapping to select that.
3 of
Okay.
15.
And
Pico
then
account.
I'm
Nalida Besson.
flicking.
By tapping publish.
So
Terms of use. But
all these
account
other things
educate,
are just for
private,
you.
Selected.
I'm leaving it on
Unlisted.
public.
Selected. New
I'm
tab.
going to flip
Assist
back.
Blindness. VoiceOver. Test. iPad. YouTube. Publish.
And I will go to the publish button and I will double tap. And it will publish. So I'm debating as to whether I should publish this. Well, I'm going to publish it just so that we can go through the entire process. And then I'll delete it because it's just a test video. So, if I double tap, and then it says it is preparing this video.
Camera roll. Back button.
And I think I'm going to...
Publishing to YouTube. Delete. Button. Alert. Delete video.
I'm going to delete it. So I just did a quick delete just before
996 of 990.
it actually
App
published.
switcher. Contacts.
Okay. And basically...
Alert. iPad test video published.
Okay, so it published it before I had a chance to delete it from not... so that it wouldn't publish. So it says it's published and it gives us options
View
if you
on
wanted to
YouTube.
view it on
Button.
YouTube, tell a friend, or close. And if you tell a friend, it will email the link to the friend saying, I have done this this test video.
View on YouTube.
So
View on YouTube. Button. Tell a friend. Close.
I'm just going to
Button.
close. And that basically
of 996.
is the step
Video.
for making and publishing a video using the iTouch or iPad. Very similar controls and same gestures.